In the ever-changing world of heavy machinery and industrial innovation, the unanticipated frequently changes course. Join us as we explore the fascinating corridors of decision-making at the multinational industrial behemoth Caterpillar and learn the tale of their unexpected 2016 withdrawal from the on-highway truck engine market. What caused Caterpillar, a name associated with heavy-duty construction equipment, to stop making on-highway trucks just 6 years after their CT660 debut? This story reveals the strategic nuances, market analyses, and proactive choices that enabled Caterpillar to reframe its objectives and steer clear of obstacles in response to changing market conditions. Come along for an intriguing look at corporate strategy and adaptation as Caterpillar's industrial adventure continues to unfold. After many well-received predecessors, Caterpillar's 3406E was once the industry leader in heavy-duty truck engines. It was introduced in 1993, but the company's 2003 entry into the C7, C9, C11, C13, and C15 engines was a turning point in their history. Despite being hailed at first for bringing cutting-edge technology, the ACERT combustion and exhaust treatment system had many difficulties. These engines, which had to be built to the strict EPA emission regulations, had many problems and were eventually fined and sued. In 2008, Caterpillar decided to stop producing on-highway truck engines for truck manufacturers in North America because of continuous issues and failure to meet 2010 pollution regulations. Due to this change in the fundamentals of the industry, Cummins exceeded. By 2007, Caterpillar had the lead in sales, a position it held until 2008. Despite the disappointment, Caterpillar is determined to support the 1.6 million Cat engines now used on North American roadways. The company recognizes that the market is changing and that pursuing cutting-edge technology presents obstacles. The heavy machinery manufacturer Caterpillar announced a strategic change in 2016 that had a significant impact on the transportation business. The business joined the on-highway truck market in 2011 with the launch of the CT660 in collaboration with Navistar, and later released the CT680 and CT681. But the project was short-lived, since after just 6 years, Caterpillar took the audacious decision to stop producing vocational trucks for use on highways. This unexpected action was brought about by the dynamic problems faced by the truck industry in addition to a thorough assessment of the business environment. Caterpillar's exit from the market was in line with their continuous reorganization endeavors to adjust to current circumstances and guarantee sustained sustainability. Renowned for its industrial expertise, the company realized that developing and launching a full line of trucks would require significant extra expenditure to maintain competition in the trucking industry. After doing a comprehensive analysis, Caterpillar determined that the market opportunity was insufficiently strong to warrant making such a large investment. Vice President Raman Unasi, who oversees Caterpillar's Industrial Power Systems division, highlighted the company's dedication to concentrating on its core business. This approach is consistent with the company's decreased reliance on on-highway truck engines over the previous 15 years. By stopping the production of highway truck engines, Caterpillar made a calculated strategic change that allowed them to focus their efforts on areas where they could grow and innovate. Caterpillar's move to stop producing on-highway truck engines is an example of the kind of strategic thinking that drives industry titans ahead in the fast-paced world of industrial innovation. Looking back on this crucial decision, it's clear that heavy machinery giant Caterpillar is still dedicated to adjusting to and prospering in a constantly changing business environment. Refocusing on its core competencies and adapting to shifting market conditions, Caterpillar is a perfect example of the resilience needed for long-term success. Let Caterpillar's strategic pivot serve as an inspiration for us as we observe the industrial landscape changing, helping us to handle our obstacles with flexibility and take advantage of new opportunities that result in innovation and long-lasting effects.